Here's a first look at Tropical Depression Dorian. Dorian reforms into a tropical depression overnight. And we wanted to capture this early this morning to kind of show you with the way we've been thinking over the last 3 to 4 days. And if you follow our cursor, you can see in this loop a circulation spin out away from the convection. See it here? Spins out, and it follows the exact forecast track of what the National Hurricane Center is forecasting. Movement off towards the north, and right there it starts to move off towards the northeast. But look where all the convection is. The convection is down here just to the northwest of the Bahamas and off the Florida coast. Guys, if you followed our update yesterday, this is what we were talking about. It's formed a little bit to the further north than what we anticipated. We were hoping for a little bit further south. But with that said, if there's another circulation center up underneath this, that forecast to go off to the north and northeast could be off. And we're thinking that Dorian could slide up the coast and end up being stalled off the northeast Florida beaches. Here's one of the reasons that we're talking about that. See this line right here? That's some strong wind shear. It's what's left over from yesterday that actually suppressed Dorian, or the remnants of Dorian, from moving further up coast yesterday. It pushed it back down and another center of circulation redeveloped. Now this looks like in the recent satellite imagery that it's starting to weaken, and wind shear could become a little bit more favorable. One of the things that you'll notice here is this circulation center starts to spin out and it gets towards this line right here. It's going to help break down or put a crimp in that wind shear, giving Dorian, if there is another circulation center up underneath here, a chance to intensify. Guys, I think we could be looking at a tropical storm here shortly, later on today. If what we're talking about verifies, we'll need to watch it for the rest of the morning, so stay tuned. We'll be updating the website throughout the rest of the day. Stay tuned to the forecast.